Day 6 of emptying my fridge, freezer, and pantry before we go on vacation. Today I am making a crock pot salsa chicken, and I'm gonna serve that on some corn tortillas on the Blackstone. I'm gonna cook this on low for 4 hours. One reason why I love emptying my fridge and freezer is that sometimes you make meals that you would never think of but turn out really good. This is one of them. My husband told me like 3 times how dinner was delicious, and I thought it was a 10 out of 10 as well. We'll definitely make this easy meal again.